three types of symmetry that you should look for. A y-axis symmetry, that if you have the point xy, you also have the point negative xy. If you have, for x-axis symmetry, if you have xy, then you're going to have x negative y for that symmetry. And the origin, through the origin, xy and negative x, negative y would be on the same graph. So let's take a look at a couple of these situations. Let's look at y-axis symmetry. So it says that if I substitute in negative x, and then I square it, and I add 1, that is going to yield the same exact equation that I started with. Exactly the same signs, exactly the same variables. So this is y-axis symmetry. Substituting in negative x, I get exactly the same equation I started with. If I take a look at an equation like x equals negative y squared, and I look at the point 4, 2, y being squared. 2 squared gives me 4, but also 4 negative 2. So if I take the y value and square it, 4, 2 and 4 negative 2 are both on this graph. Therefore, this has x-axis symmetry. Y equals x cubed plus x. And let's take a value where x is equal to 2. If I take 2 cubed plus 2, I get y is equal to 10. If I substitute in negative 2, I have negative 2 cubed is negative 8 plus a negative 2. I'm getting negative 10. So if I have the point 2, 10 on the graph, the point negative 2, negative 10 is also on the graph. So that's going to have symmetry with respect to the origin.